This is the website of a company called Dawn. They have a lot of muffins and breads, and this is their healthy muffin series. These are strawberry muffins, they have orange muffins, mango muffins, and a lot of other muffins. And I am showing you these strawberry muffins because strawberry is low carb, and even people who are on low carb keto diet, they prefer something with strawberry in it. So let's see the ingredients. The first ingredient is wheat flour. Okay, it is refined wheat flour, not good. Second is sugar. Sugar is again refined sugar, and then there is shortening can be called as processed oils, and then there is an egg, and then there are a lot of chemicals like leavening agent, natural identical flavors, preservatives. All of these are basically chemicals with no normal name. And the eighth ingredient mentioned is strawberry fruit content. Okay, the basically on any food the first ingredient is the most abundant ingredient, and then as we go down the list the quantity of that thing basically decreases, and then it is down the list. So basically strawberry is the eighth component, plus they have a lot of other chemicals, and you can see they have a lot of healthy food series. Milling by, they have strawberry cake, fruit cake, but these all seem to be very healthy, but actually they're not because of all the chemicals in them. My point is, instead of these toxin filled cupcakes, if you have these blackberry cupcakes that you can prepare in 20 minutes, wouldn't it be wonderful? Just let me show you the cut section of these cupcakes. I'll show you how light and fluffy these cupcakes come out to be, and it does not take long to prepare them. And blackberries are just a prototype. You can make these cupcakes with any berries, in fact any fruits that you like. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I'm Dr. Asma Mahmood, and before starting our blackberry cupcakes we have to purify our blackberries from the insecticides and the pesticides and every other toxin that is on them by soaking them in water mixed with baking soda. Because many times when we are thinking we are eating very healthy food, it is not healthy because it is sprayed with a lot of toxins. To view all these videos about health foods and how to make them tasty and wonderful, do subscribe to our channel. Anyway, once you are done purifying your blackberries from all the toxins and harmful chemicals, now we are ready to prepare our fluffy soft cupcakes. For this we need some eggs. In eggs we will just add coconut flour. I'll attach the links of all these ingredients in the description box below. It is really easy to order them online, so do not worry if your local grocery shop does not have coconut flour. Anyway, to this we will add some salt, some baking soda, some baking powder, any sweetener of choice. I always like to add stevia, so I'm adding stevia, and then add some vanilla essence for that cupcakey aroma. Now add some extra virgin coconut oil. You can add any other oil if you like, but it turns out best with coconut oil. Next we need to add some coconut milk. It would be wonderful if you have fresh coconuts and you make milk out of it at home, that is homemade coconut milk. But since I live in Lahore and there are no coconuts in Lahore, I have to use this tinned coconut milk. If you too are using tinned coconut milk, make sure the tin is BPA free at least. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below from where are you watching. Also let me know if you have fresh coconuts where you live. I might come visit you next time I plan a holiday. Anyway, once you have blended up everything together, now we will add our berries. It is not necessary that you add blackberries. You can add any berries that you like. The point is to coat the fruit with the batter before adding them to the cupcakes. So I poured all the batter in the cupcake cases, and you can see the fruit has settled down, and after that I put the fruit by hand myself. About 4 berries in each cup. You can add more if you like. Anyway, once we have finished putting in the berries, we will bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes. Mine took about 22 minutes. The cooking time can vary depending on the amount of moisture in the flour and the coconut milk, but what you have to see is the skewer. When you put inside the cupcake, it should come out clean. Anyway, in just under 20 minutes your fresh cupcakes will be ready. You want to eat them cold, you can eat them cold. They are very delicious. You want to eat them warm, you can eat them warm. You want to decorate them with some cream, it is up to you. They are really tasty, and plus they are gluten free, dairy free, sugar free, plus they are toxin free. There are no harmful toxins in these cupcakes. And let me just just show you how soft and spongy they turned out to be. Once you take a bite, it just melts away in your mouth. And let me know in the comment section below, did you make these cupcakes and with what berries did you make them? And personally, I think this is the best lunchbox or tiffin idea that you can give to your husbands as well as to your kids. They love it. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you currently giving them in their lunchboxes and tiffins. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.